Everyone ignored Ryan. A quiet boy, failing at school, invisible to friends, invisible to life. But inside him, a storm was brewing one night. A single thought would change everything. Ryan sat alone in his room, rain tapping against the window. Outside, kids his age laughed, chased dreams, and lived freely. He felt trapped, hopeless, thinking he would never escape this invisible cage. Scrolling through his phone, he stumbled upon a story about someone who had been in his exact position but had risen to greatness. Ryan felt a spark. If they can do it, why can't I? That night he made a silent promise to himself. He would change no matter what it took. Ryan began small. Early mornings became his secret weapon. He read, practiced new skills, coded online, and worked part-time to save money. Every failure was a lesson, every insult, fuel. Slowly the invisible boy began to stand taller, feeling a strength he never knew he had. School wasn't easier. Friends laughed, teachers doubted, and bullies tried to break him, but Ryan kept going. One day, his teacher noticed his dedication and gave him a challenging project, his first real chance to prove himself. Ryan poured his soul into the project. Sleepless nights, endless practice, mistakes, and near failures, he faced them all. Slowly, others began to notice. Respect replaced mockery. Confidence replaced fear. Weeks turned into months. Ryan's project gained attention online. People reached out for advice, and for the first time, he felt seen. The boy who once hid in shadows now inspired others. But success wasn't just about recognition. Ryan faced bigger challenges, competing projects, self-doubt, and moments where giving up seemed easier. Yet he remembered the night he promised himself change. He kept fighting. Finally, Ryan's perseverance paid off. His work was celebrated, his ideas shared worldwide, and the boy who once had nothing had the power to change lives. He realized it's not where you start, but how relentlessly you push forward that defines you. By Elise. So if you feel invisible, hopeless, or broken, remember Ryan. One decision to fight, to persist, to believe can change everything. Start today.